Okay, good morning everybody. See, we got a window there. My friend there got 4 of these windows. We're gonna do 2 on each van, and I'm gonna show you how to do these. It's got a nice little screen in the back. See the little screen? So you open it up. Well, there we go. Well, we'll show you later. Okay, so I'll show you what he's doing right now. Taking all the measurements on the side door. He's got all his tools ready there, ready to go. We're using this, the best there is this Gorilla Glue. Heavy duty. Well, it's not glue, but it's adhesive, construction adhesive. Love that Gorilla stuff. And this is basically what it's going to look like. This is his van. You see? So that's what it's going to look like. So it's going to be really nice. And you see he's got it on both sides. So it's going to be like a nice cross breeze. Alright? This is his van here. He's got everything ready to roll. See, he's got nice hubcaps. He did this himself, believe it or not. He did this himself from metal pieces, metal pipes that somebody was selling at the flea market. See, he's got plenty of time to do that stuff. Anyway, so that's his van, and adventure awaits for him. So anyway, we'll come back to you, and I'll show you how it's going. Thank you.